Good morning from a sunny half day at sea. I am looking out of my balcony right now on sunshine coming on to the chairs, and I am very tempted to stay and sit right here in the sun, but I think I'm gonna head up to the pool deck and see what's going on up there. I have stepped outside and it feels absolutely beautiful. Today we are docking in Poland this afternoon, not until 3:30, so I actually have so much time this morning to hang around the ship and relax until we have a long afternoon in port. But I'll tell you all about that later, so let's get my day started in some sunshine. Okay, looks like we have a little bit of people out on the pool deck. Very nice, very nice. Well, this is just absolutely perfect. There's hardly any breeze, so it's actually really nice and warm out. So perfect. What a nice day. We have docked in Gdynia, Poland, and we are in a very industrial port. I'll show you the port area in just a second, but I wanted to show you this. It is actually early. It's only 2:45. Got an announcement coming, so.
I'd like to announce that we're here in the beautiful port of Gdynia, Poland. The ship is cleared from local authorities. If you'd like to proceed ashore, you can do so at this time by heading to deck 4 forward and deck 4 midship. And have a beautiful day in Gdynia, Poland. All of our time is at 10 p.m. tonight. Thank you.
So I'll show you in just a second with a clearer view, but this is our terminal port area. So you can see very industrial. Let's go over here. Get the open window. It is walkable, I believe, so they just called that we are cleared to go aboard, and it's only 2:45, and we weren't actually expected to get here until 3:30, so we're early, and we have until 10 p.m. tonight. I have no excursions booked, no plans, just gonna walk around, gonna go explore on foot today. I think I'm gonna get a little bit of hot tub time in first. I just got done at the spa. It's very quiet and empty out here on the pool deck, so I'm about to go hop in a hot tub for just a little bit while everyone else files off the ship. Another time change, going forward by another hour. I'm officially ready to head out to see Gdynia, Poland. So I had a lovely afternoon and morning hanging around the ship, doing a little hot tubbing, a little bit of the spa, got some lunch at the buffet. Very nice and relaxing morning, but it is time to head out to port and go explore. I did not really do a whole lot of research on this port. I was kind of hoping I would just be able to get out, explore, and see what this city, this town looks like. So you will get to explore with me. Let's head out. Okay, officially on land. Looks like there are train tracks right here, which is interesting that this is where they chose to have a port, but let's see if we can find our way to Kosciuszko Square, which is what I've found as sort of the central location. According to my maps, it's only about 2 kilometers from here to where I'm going from the port, so it's really not that far of a walk. Or apparently you could take a scooter, which I would not mind doing, but I don't see any other ones, so I don't know how they work around here. It's very modern here, and I just was looking up information about Gdynia, and it's a relatively young city, only founded in 1926 to become a port after World War I. Apparently there are museum ships you can explore, and this is also where the Polish Cannes Film Festival is held here in Gdynia. It definitely feels very safe here. It's very clean. It's a lot of residential buildings, but some commercial. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna find when I come to this destination, but not a whole lot of restaurants or anything so far, but I'm almost there. This is a good example, I think, of the modern architecture of this building right here. Very interesting looking. I have arrived. I found where there's a whole bunch of restaurants up here with some outdoor seating, and then here is the square across here, and then over to my left There's some sort of statue monument, so I'm gonna have to go check that out in a second. But we'll see what I have discovered here. Sort of just looks like a plaza walkway. So across the street, and I think I'm gonna walk down this direction because I can see what I think leads to the waterfront. This appears to be like a pretty big main road. So lots of commercial stuff going on down here. But I'm gonna go this way. Looks like there's a plaque, so I'll be able to tell you what this says. Well, actually, maybe not. It's probably not in English. But I will look it up and find out. I tried to find out what this is, and it seems to be a maritime commemoration memorial. I couldn't read any of the plaques, but that is what I found when I searched online. So I'm going to continue down towards the water. There is a museum down here, a ship museum that you can normally tour, but unfortunately it closed at 4 p.m. So I won't be able to do that. Maybe I can still show you the outside of it because it sounds pretty cool. There's a couple of little restaurants, and this looks like an ice cream shop. There's a bar over there and a restaurant over there. I'll have to look and see what the menu looks like, but one of the things I did want to do while I was here is eat dinner, because after as many Norwegian cruises as I've been on, you get kind of sick of the same meals. So I thought maybe I'd try something off the ship for once and eat in town since we're here so late. Made it to this waterfall feature. This is really cool. It looks like it's made out of tiles. So I'm going to keep walking down here. I think that the museum, the ship museum, is up here on the left. Looks like there's like a long boardwalk walkway sort of thing that takes me all the way down to the end. Oh, it's street food over here, it looks like. So nice and sunny out. Have to find somewhere I can sit in the sun maybe. Ooh, they have pizzas. I'm always up for pizza. It looks delicious. I found the museums, and there's actually two. This is the first one right here, and it unfortunately just closed, so I missed it. And then there's one behind it, you can see all the sails. That is the second museum. That's the one that closed at 4 o'clock. Both of these are available to be toured, but they do close pretty early. So I'm gonna miss both of those, unfortunately. I'm still gonna keep walking down here though and just see what's at the end of this. That pizza made me so hungry. Now I gotta stop thinking about food until after I do some more exploring. Ooh, I found a souvenir shop. Looks like they're closing. I better be real quick if I want to get a magnet. They let me get a magnet. I had 2 seconds to choose one, so just picked the first one I saw, but I got it. I've been pretty good about remembering to get them on this trip because these are definitely countries I've never been to, and who knows when the next time will be that I'll be back this direction. This looks like a tavern to me. Kapitan Cook tavern. So I'm still walking towards the waterfront. I'm gonna make my way all the way down there before I decide what I want to eat. Another random fact I read about Gdynia is that there are tons of seagulls here, and I just heard a whole bunch of them. So I have a feeling once I start getting closer to the water, there are gonna be even more of them. It really turned into such a nice day. Ooh, look at that ship down there. That looks awesome. Captain Jack Sparrow's ship. So this is the Gdynia Aquarium right here, and it closes right about now at 6 o'clock. So unfortunately, I think it closes at 7, so I don't think I have enough time to go in. But man, I would have loved to do that. Although it is really nice that we ended up getting a beautiful afternoon. I mean, I'm sure you can see, but there's hardly any clouds out now. So we really got so fortunate. And look at this cool ship. I don't know what it is. It might be a restaurant, which would be awesome. This is the coolest thing. It actually is a restaurant. It smells really good, so I'm assuming that it is open. They actually have menu, English translations for the menu. course, I don't know how much anything costs in the local currency. So what I have sort of figured out, even though Polish is not the easiest to translate, it is a ferry. So I think that you actually sail around and eat dinner while it is cruising. So you have to obviously purchase tickets in advance, I believe, which obviously I didn't know to do. So would have been really cool though. Definitely something to do if you're here for a few days. Be a great way to see kind of the coastline. Of course, I can also see that from the ship later, but it'll be quite dark actually when we leave. I have one more sort of monument down here to look at before I head back and find somewhere to get some dinner. Couldn't really find an exact description, but it sort of represents a ship's mast, so I would assume that because we are at the end of this pier here, that is what it represents. And it looks like there is a really long pier directly across from us. I don't know where it leads to, you can't get to it from here, but would be a nice spot for ships to dock and just be able to like walk right off and be kind of here at the end of the main street area. This is a cool looking little capsule. Looks like it has a propeller on the bottom. I think you can go inside. It must be part of the museum exhibit. Cool. Nautilus. That's fascinating. I've decided I'm gonna go to Kapitan Cook, I think. The reviews are pretty good, and I know that there's things I can eat on the menu, which is always something I have to worry about, especially when traveling in other countries, because you just don't know. Oh, there's music coming from this place. Sounds like live music. That's cool. All right, almost there. Nice and warm in here. Well, that was delightful and so delicious. I got a really good mushroom pasta. I ate every bite. It was amazing. Very happy. I got a local beer too on draft and just sat and enjoyed that and read my book for a little while, looking out at this gorgeous sunshine. But it is almost 8 p.m., so I should probably start heading back to the ship. I don't really want to be out in the cold when the sun fully goes down, and it is cold out here. It is nice and sunny, but it is not warm. I really enjoyed my day today in Gdynia, and I have to say if you're going to be here in port longer, you can take the train into Gdansk, which is I think a larger city and has a lot to do there as well. I think it's about a 30-minute train ride, so you want to have a little bit more time to explore, but it's worth seeing this area too, the port city, and then going into Gdansk as well. I know they had shore excursions that did both, but I just didn't do an excursion today. I'm happy with what I decided to do. Of course, I always still feel like I missed out on some things and, could have asked a tour guide questions and had them be able to answer and explain things better, because I really don't like being on my phone constantly and having to Google things. If I don't know the answer, then I have to be on my phone looking it up. It just kind of takes away from the experience. And that's why I like organized excursions a lot of the time, because you have someone you can ask about that kind of stuff. Today was really nice though. I did enjoy it a lot. That's a cool building with the cannons out front. So again, you can really see the modern architecture that I read about in pretty much all the buildings here. It's all very modern and new. Sharp lines, clean cuts. I like it. It's very clean here too. It's a nice city. Whew, it is cold when that sun goes down. It says it feels like 48 degrees outside right now. I mean, I thought we would maybe get like some 60-degree days in here, but there haven't been many recently, so it is colder than I was thinking it would be at the end of May in the Baltics. Come prepared, pack well. I wonder if the people in this house or apartment feed this bird, because it looks like it's expecting to be fed or waited on or something. Hi. Also, shameless plug for my Instagram. If you're not already following me over there, you should go follow me there. I post on there regularly every single day when I'm traveling, so you can get real-time updates of the cruises that I'm on instead of having to wait weeks for these videos to come out. Just a reminder. One more fun fact that I learned about Gdynia today is that apparently it has some of the cleanest air in the whole country. Maybe in the world, but I'm pretty sure definitely the whole country. So another good reason to visit here because you're breathing in very clean air. And it does smell very clean here. It's a nice, calm, sort of quiet city. That's what I've picked up so far. I'm trying to make it back before sunset. It's about 8:30 now, so I'm almost there. We have gotten a beautiful sunset every single day of this cruise. One of my favorite things about cruising are the sunrises and sunsets. And I've been very lucky on this trip to see so many. It's definitely going to be a very nice sunset tonight. So let's get back on board and go check it out from the ship. Made it back just in time.